ever drafted a bodice block? You followed all the instructions correctly, then transferred your pattern onto your fabric, sew it up, then tried it on, and immediately found out that something wasn't right. Maybe it was pulling across your bust, or the armhole feels uncomfortable, or maybe the shoulders were dropping. The whole thing just feels off, but you just can't figure out why. If you have experienced that, trust me, you are not alone. We've all been there. Most people assume that if their bodice doesn't fit properly, they must have drafted it incorrectly. But that's not always true. Because sometimes the problem isn't the drafting, it is actually the fitting. In our last video, we talked about how basic blocks are the foundation of every garment. You remember? Well, besties, if the foundation is wrong, the entire garment will have problems. And that's why in today's class, we're going to be talking about some of the major reasons your bodice doesn't fit properly and what you can do about it. So grab your notebook, grab your pen, and let's get right into today's class. Okay? Let's start with one of the major reasons why your bodice doesn't fit, and that is ease. Have you ever heard of ease before? Do you know what it means? Well, ease is a small allowance added to your exact body measurement to allow you breathe and move freely when you wear your garments. Now, whenever I mention ease, some students are like, but I want my garments fitted. Yes, fitted is great, but fitted doesn't mean suffocating. Your body needs room to breathe, to move, room for you to be able to sit down, room for you to be able to raise your arms up like that, and room for you to be able to live your life. So if your bodies feel too tight across your bust, pulls at the side seams, or strains across your chest, there is a good chance you don't have enough ease. Remember, a garment should fit your body. It shouldn't fight your body. So don't be afraid of ease. Ease is your friend. But note that you need the right amount of ease. Too small ease we call suffocation. You won't be able to breathe, while too much ease is going to cause gaping. After drafting your bodice, you may need a bust adjustment. Now, this is a major one that surprises many people. Many drafting systems assume certain body proportions, but the real bodies are not standard. Some people have a fuller bust, while others have a smaller bust, like me, and others have a higher bust, and then some others have a lower bust. And that's completely normal. So if your bodice fits everywhere except the bust area, don't automatically assume you have done something wrong. You may simply need a bust adjustment. So if you have pulling lines across your bust, or gaping around the armhole, tightness across the chest, or the darts are pointing in a wrong place or in a wrong direction, these are all signs that you need a bust adjustment. Okay? And honestly, this is why fitting is so important. Drafting actually gives us a starting point, but fitting helps us customize this pattern to our unique body shape. And besties, this is exactly what we do in my online school. I don't just teach you how to draft bodice blocks, I actually help students fit them properly, because having a basic bodice block is one thing, but having a bodice block that actually fits your unique body beautifully is another thing entirely. So in my school, we walk through bodice fitting, sleeve fitting, skirt blocks, pant blocks, and other foundation blocks, so that you can build future designs on a solid foundation. So if you're interested, you will find a link in the description box below. Now let's continue. Let's talk about shoulders. This one is often overlooked. Many sewists focus heavily on the bust and the waist, but completely ignore the shoulders. And the shoulders are one of the first things people actually notice. If your shoulder seam is hanging too far down your arm, your shoulder width may be too wide. Now, if it is pulling upwards towards your neck, it may be too narrow. And if your shoulder slope doesn't match your actual shoulder shape, the garment may develop wrinkles and drag lines. This is why two people can wear this exact same pattern and then get completely different results because their shoulders are different. Whenever you are fitting a bodice, please always check the shoulder area first because it can affect everything else. Now let's talk about the armholes. Oh yes, the famous armhole problems. Have you ever worn a garment where every time you raise your arms, the entire bodice come up with it? That's usually an armhole issue. If the armhole is too low, the movement becomes restricted, and if it is too high, it may dig into your body and feels uncomfortable. So in fact, if the shape is incorrect, you may see wrinkles and pulling. Okay, a lot of people think armholes are just very small details. No, they are not. A poorly fitted armhole can make an otherwise beautiful garment feel so uncomfortable. So never ignore your armholes during fitting. Okay, another reason why your bodice doesn't fit may be because your body has changed. This is something many people don't consider at all. Your body may have changed due to weight loss or weight gain. Posture changes and age changes may also affect the fit of your bodice block. If your bodice block was drafted years ago, it may simply need updating and fitting, and that's okay. Professional pattern makers, they update their blocks all the time. I had to refit and adjust all my basic blocks because of weight loss. So don't be afraid to revisit your foundation patterns when it is necessary. Okay? And finally, the biggest reason why your bodice doesn't fit is because you skipped the fitting process entirely. Now, let's be honest. Many sewists, they draft a pattern and immediately cut on their fashion fabric or their final fabric. No fitting is done, no testing, no corrections, just nothing. And then they are disappointed when the garment doesn't fit properly. Were you expecting magic? Besties, fitting is part of pattern drafting. It's not optional or extra. A bodice block really comes out perfect on the very first try. You may need at least 2 or more tries to get it right. This is not to scare you, besties, but it's the honest truth. And that's why we make adjustments. That's why we test. That's why we refine. And that's why fitting is such a valuable skill to learn. So if your bodice isn't fitting properly, ask yourself these questions. Do I have enough ease? Do I need a bust adjustment? Is my shoulder fit correct? Is my armhole shaped properly? Has my body changed over the years? Or did I actually spend time fitting my block? Because remember what we learned in our previous video. Basic blocks are the foundation of every garment, and when your foundation fits beautifully, every future design becomes easier. Now I want to hear from you. What's the hardest fitting issue for you? Is it the bust? Is it the waist, the shoulder, the sleeves, or the armholes? Tell me in the comment section below, because I may make an entire video on the most common answer. Okay, and if you like help drafting and fitting your bodice block, your skirt block, your sleeve block, your pants block, and any other foundation patterns, check out my online school using the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining today's class. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.